first, that's the thing. What is a clause? I've already told you, a group of words that forms the part of a sentence with its own subject and predicate. Look at the following sentences. You can see some parts of the sentences are marked in green. So many people think, what do they think? That it is very important to protect the environment. Youngsters spend less time with their family. Why? Because they are busy at work. Which people who are not regular to their gym may fall sick gradually. So people may fall sick gradually. What kind of people? Who are not regular to their gym. Now please check the sentence parts in green. It can be understood that they are subordinate clauses, clauses that depend on the main clause. They cannot stand alone. You can look at the first sentence here. Many people think that it is very important to protect the environment. You can see that it is very important to protect the environment is the answer for what do many people think. So it is the answer of what. You can see it does the job of a noun. That means answering the question what is the job of a noun. If you answer the question what, you get a noun or a noun equivalent as the answer. So here this is a noun clause. Youngsters spend less time with their family. Why? Here you're talking about a reason of an action because they are busy at work. This is the answer of why. So answers of why, where, when, how, etc. are adverb clauses. Now look at this. People who are not regularly to their gym. You can see that who are not regular to their gym. This part of the sentence describes people. Which people? What kind of people? That answer is given here. Who are not regular to their gym. So that is an adjective clause. So this is what I told you in the previous slide. Clauses can be noun clauses like this, or adverb clauses like this, or adjective clauses like this.